in this session we are going to learn these 4 commands like rm, rmdir, cp and mb. So rm is remove, rmdir means remove directory, cp means copy and mb means move. So suppose now what we'll do is we'll see this. So we have ls-l, we have 2 files, 1 directory. So I will do one more thing, mkdir navin 1 and I will do ls-l. So I have 2 files, 2 directory. Now suppose I want to delete this abc.txt file. So what I will do is rm and now the abc.txt. So now if you do ls-l, so you will see that that file is not present. So if you want to delete files, then you have to do is rm. If you want to delete directory, so you have to do is rmdir and the directory name. So I am removing navin 1. Now as you can see ls-l, so you will see 1 file name, 1 directory name. Now suppose you want to copy this file. Copy means what? This file will be present over here and one more copy of this file will be come to another location. So cp demo.txt and I want to copy this file inside navin/demo.txt. Now ls-l and I will go inside this directory. If you want to change directory, so the command is same like cd and the directory name. So I will go to navin ls. Here you will see that file is present. Now if you want come back, if you type cd ... to come back, it will give error because in Linux you have to give cd space ... So it will come one back directory. So ls-l. If you want to copy, again we will try this demo.txt. So first what I will do is cd navin and I will delete this file demo.txt cd ... and from here I will do cp demo.txt and I want to copy this file inside navin directory. Enter. I have not given the file name. If I go inside that file navin, I will type ls, you will see. So if you want to copy the file as same name and the different location, so you don't have to mention that file name again. It will automatically copy that file to the destination location. So here if you see, I am in the present working directory. This is my copy command. I want to copy this. I have to just give the destination folder name. Okay, so I think you have got this point. Now again I will go back and what I will do is I will move this file to the destination location. So mb demo.txt and I have to give the location. So navin. If I hit enter, it will not give me error, and if I do ls-l, you will see that file is not present in the present working directory because I have given the mb command. Mb is the move, means cut from this location and move to the another location. So if I see here, I will go to the navin and I will do ls. So this file is present over here. If I again, I will make one more, I will come back, I will create one more file that greater than demo.txt and hello. I will save this file. If you see here, I have present this file, my file is present. I will go to the navin directory and I will delete the existing file. So if you see, this file is empty. If I come back, I have this file in my present working directory. I want to move this file demo.txt in navin directory. I want to rename this file name. So from demo I want to give abc.txt. Now hit enter. If you do ls, you don't have file over here. See this file. And if I go to navin directory and I do ls, if you check the content of this file navin abc.txt, you will get the same content. So I think if you have understand these all 4 commands. Along with this, I have also discussed cd change directory and cd space dot dot go back to previous directory. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you for watching.